Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Powerroll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. Kwah University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Haga step perngap jong sengi belai Sipai Air Force jong United States of America kila hertma kansan na Iran bat kila Ther bom hakilai tali jaka ki bak Iran ke penlang ki nuklear jongka kata Fordo Natanz bat Esfahan Hadien bu presiden ke US Donald Trump la pentikna ya kani ke acting ambassador jongka US ka Dorothy Camille Shea kala ong bak Iran kala pan Kwah la dagi Phew Snem bat menta kala yo ya kata jing Kwah jongka haba batai benia halor ke jingkren jongka ka Shea kala ong babaro sikata ke Iran ke juperta penrem ya ke US bat ya ke Israel dak ba ong dead to America dead to Israel lani ke jingyap ya ke Amerika ber ke jingyap ya ke Israel kala kam mala saupo Snem kanthi ke Iran kala pertai kani bat ke jingle jong ke US kala mat penne ya chongsok chongsan dak ba penjat penpra ya ke nuklear jo ke Iran namar bala dak Iran kala pendep ya jing temu juga bersna nuklear bom kan bu jingmai ke pertai namar bakanum khenshu yano yunuru berkan bom napang kat yaki bakamon ke Iran parik la keno budai menteri rang ba du jong Israel Benjamin Netanyahu bakan shot yu Donald Trump unyartma persya yaki Iran hak ba Trump ru ngop hak jing sya penbe Netanyahu ke Iran kla berngem men khrwit dek beteng yaki Israel bat kla berngem ru ban hertma klep yaki US.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.